Hello, I'm Achim Kettler from Dental Beans and I want to show you some tips and tricks about coDiagnostiX. Enjoy! You know, segmentation is not really necessary for planning, but if you made a lot of work like this and it's not okay for you, you can make it a little bit more impressive by clicking on the right edge, this small wheel, open the features, and there's a possibility just, for example, to change the color of your picture. And more important, if you go on this small button in the middle, you can even get this transparent. And if you do this, you can see the teeth through the jaw, which is a really nice picture.